Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you my updated winter hair care routine. My hair has grown so much since the last video that I posted. That video did really well, so I decided to film an updated version. So I'm gonna be starting with oiling my scalp as I did in the last video. That part hasn't changed, but right here I'm just gonna be heating up the oil, running it under hot water so it could be like a little fake hot oil treatment. And this step is so necessary. I never skip out on this step because I have a really dry scalp, and especially now, if you are on the East Coast or if you experience winter, it's really cold, especially where I'm at. So my scalp is like extra dry. So here I'm just sectioning off my hair, doing a little bit of finger detangling, and then I'm going to section off my hair and just part it and oil my scalp and give myself a little scalp massage. Also, can we just acknowledge the hair growth? The last video that I posted on the wash routine, it was on TWA hair, which means teeny weeny afro. My hair was so short, it was growing out of a buzz cut that I did when we got in the pandemic. Girl, look at this hair growth, mad hair. And I have to be honest, I'd be lying if I said that I didn't contemplate cutting my hair again. But I'm gonna ride it out. I'm gonna grow it out and see where this goes. But yeah, I really love the short hair. It's such a vibe. It was such a look. It made me feel really edgy and just bomb in my womanhood. But yeah, so just my hair grew so much and it's so thick, so thick. So now I'm just gonna wrap that up and let that oil sit in my hair for 10 to 15 minutes, and then I'm going on to my wash routine. And now for the start of the show, I'm gonna be washing my hair using Aussie products. I'm using the shampoo Miracle Moist by Aussie and the Total Miracle conditioner by Aussie as well. And then the deep conditioner, the 3-minute deep conditioner, which is 3 minutes, but I usually leave it in for a little longer. So now that my hair is longer, I section my hair into two, and I start my routine that way. So my hair is much more longer than it was before. Before it was so simple. I would just literally plop the shampoo and conditioner on my hair and just scrub and lather. But now I have a lot of hair, and I feel like I'm not gonna get a good cleanse or wash routine if I don't section my hair into two. So here you're gonna see me drenching my hair with the water before I go in with the shampoo. And my hair has been straight for, I wanna say, the past few weeks. Not the past few weeks straight, like I've been doing my hair like maybe once every 2 weeks or once a week. As I said before, it's really, really cold, and a wash and go is just not realistic for me. Like, I'm not gonna like wash and go. It's too cold to let my hair air dry. So I'm gonna go into my routine a little later on. You're gonna see what I do after I cleanse my hair. But yeah, here I'm cleansing my hair using the moisture shampoo. And I really love Aussie products, especially now that my hair is longer. Number one, it's affordable, and two, it just gets the job done. And this is not sulfate free. I'm not afraid of sulfate shampoos. I don't know who needs to hear this, but you need a little sulfate in your life. Like, you need to shampoo your hair. In my opinion, I feel like using sulfate-free shampoos or products are good, but when you pack on your products, I feel like the sulfate is necessary to get a really, really good cleanse. So yeah, don't know who needs to hear this, but get yourself a nice sulfate shampoo and cleanse your scalp. It's necessary. And Aussie products are really good in my opinion. Like, I don't feel like it strips my hair. My hair is it is on the drier side, and I do fall on the 3B-3C scale as far as like the curly hair texture meter. But yeah, my hair loves Aussie products. So now I'm gonna be going in with the Total Miracle Conditioner by Aussie. And I have to say, this line has never ever failed me. I remember using this line back in the day, and it just got the job done for me when I started like my natural hair journey. And that for me just meant embracing my hair. I still was using heat, it was just less heat, and I just catered more to like my curly hair. But this line, I have to go ahead and say that it's one of the goats for me. One of the goats of hairlines for curly hair that never steered me wrong. It's affordable, smells amazing, and I thought that Aussie had silicones in it, but they don't. Silicone free. The fact that it's silicone free and the conditioners itself is so moisturizing, you really cannot go wrong. But yeah, my hair loves this stuff. So now I'm just gonna be repeating what I did on the other side, which was to double cleanse and then condition. So I'm just gonna speed through this and let you guys enjoy this part. So for the next and final step, I'm gonna be going in with the 3-minute Miracle Curls Deep Conditioner. And as I said before, I know it says 3 minutes, but I usually leave it in for a little longer, or at least for the duration of the time that I'm in the shower. So I'm just gonna put this on my hair and then wash up and stuff, and then head over to my next step in my winter hair care routine. So the next step in my winter hair care routine, I'm going to be doing a quick blowout, not for the straight look, but just to dry and stretch my hair out a little bit so it can be a little bit more manageable when I go in to style. As I said before, a wash and go isn't ideal or realistic for me right now because where I am it's really cold, and if you're on the East Coast or you where you live you experience winters, you know that it's brick outside, and what that means is it's mad cold. Yeah. So a wash and go, that's a no-no. Absolutely not. So here I'm just stretching out my hair and to prevent any heat damage, even though I'm probably gonna get a little bit of a heat damage or like loose curls from applying heat so consecutively. I do go in with, as you've seen earlier, I go in with the Pantene Pro V heat protectant. Look at that hair. Yes, girl. Even though it's looking a little choppy chops because the last time I trimmed my ends, I did a little bit too much. So the next time I go for or I need a trim or a haircut, I'm gonna wait till my hair gets a little bit longer. I'm gonna go see a professional because this choppiness is not it. But anywho, so for my go-to style, if my hair is not in box braids, my go-to style is two cornrows or two Dutch braids, whatever you want to call it. And these are not gonna be perfect, but they look cute enough to go outside. And this day I was going to the gym, so I probably was gonna put a hat on. So yes, I'm going to be doing two braids, and this product, y'all, this product is the Curls Grip Glaze for braids and protective styles by Just For Me. It's, first off, it smells so good. And if I could describe this product, first off, you need it if you haven't heard about it. It's really good for, I want to say, like 3 3B and above, and the level 4 hair curly textures for like protective styles, you need this. It's basically like a pomade or a pomada and edge control mixed together. It lays your hair. Like, look how it looks shiny, and it looks like if it were a gel, but it's not wet. Yeah, that's the best way I could describe it. Anywho, you need this product if you do braids or you have your hair in protective styles often. All right, y'all. So this is the finished look. I'm just going to the gym, so I wasn't trying to do anything crazy. But if you made it to the end of this video, you are a real one. And I love you and I appreciate you. But if you are not already subscribed, go ahead and subscribe and join my family. Like this video if you like these kinds of videos. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.